morning everyone, I am Prateek Singh. My topic of the presentation is account management and the company name is Dentsu. I hope you will like my presentation. Please allow me to take you through my presentation now. Account management. Account management is a way of managing the account of the client. In my case, the client was Maruti Suzuki. I handled 3 brands under Maruti Suzuki: Swift, Dzire and Eco. I worked as the account executive intern under one of the largest departments of any advertising agency, that is the account servicing department. Account servicing department is the link between the client and the agency. Moving forward with the presentation, first of all I would be talking about the SIP company Dentsu and what exactly marketing and advertising and promotion is. Second, I would be talking about my role in the company and day-to-day tasks performed by me. Finally, the advertising campaigns and key learnings from the SIP. Dentsu. Dentsu is one of the largest and 5th largest in terms of revenue advertising agency in the world. It has headquarters in Tokyo, Japan. And the major competitors of Dentsu are JWD, McCain and Publix. CEO of the company is Toshihiro Yamamoto. What is advertising and promotion? Advertising and promotion are the tools of brand communication. Brand communication is a way to communicate the desired message to the target audience. The desired message is the message, the story the company wants to portray to the target audience. If I take example of the Swift car is being portrayed in the market as the youthful car. The most of the ads published in the market are the ads related to the adventure so that it can attract the youth of India. There are 3 important techniques, marketing activities followed by the companies. These are above the line marketing, below the line marketing and through the line marketing. Above the line marketing technique is a highly targeted and mass technique in which the publishing is done, the ads are being published on all the media channels, whether be it TV commercial, be it newspaper and print media. If I take example of the Dzire car, Dzire is the car which has the high target audience from the age of 26-27 to the age of 65. So the marketing is done on the high and wide basis so that we can attract more and more people and showcase the car as a family car. Below the line marketing. Below the line marketing technique is a very targeted technique. For example, if someone has bought the Dzire car, those will be the only people we will sell the accessories of Dzire cars. Now, through the line marketing. Through the line marketing technique is the integration of above the line marketing technique and below the line marketing technique. Objectives. My major objective was to learn and to be the link between the client and the agency, to understand the coordination of advertising campaigns, print media, TV commercial, to see how the companies work on the brand communication, how the companies establish brand image and the consumer insights, how the consumers are attracted, how the target audience is being selected and what is the behavior of the consumer. Moving forward, my role in the company. I was part of the account servicing department. Account servicing department has to work with 4 more important departments, and those are creative department, production department, studio department and RO department. Creative department is the department which lays down the initial layout of any advertisement, and there are 2 arms to it. First one is the arts department, second one is the copywriter department. Arts department is the work in which the work is done on the 3D structure of the ads, the work is done on the initial layout, and they have to portray the communication as the very in an interesting way so that the audience can relate to it. Now the copywriter department. Copywriter department works on the script of the ad. If the ad has to be published in the market, it will have some kind of script in it, some kind of story in it. So it is the part of the copywriter department to make the attractive script. Production department. Production department processes and produces the final advertisement. Now when the final advertisement is there, the production department takes the final advertisement to the client. Client, if approves the advertisement, the production department has to publish it in the media channels. Studio department. When all of it is complete, the final ad goes to the studio department, and studio department works on the hygiene of the ad. Final hygiene, it looks at the pictures, if they are in the correct sequence, if the logos are correct, if the placement of the images are correct, if the placement of the logos are correct. If you see carefully, on the top left corner, we have the logo of Maruti car, and the Maruti is written there. Maruti Suzuki is written there. So the studio department makes sure that the final advertisement is up to the mark. Now it's the work of the RO department, release order department. Release order department releases the dealer panels. Whenever the ads are to be published, there is a dealer panel below it, and on the dealer panels there are the number of all the dealers across India, all the 19 regions, and we have to check that all the numbers are in the correct sequence and they are in the correct order. Advertising campaigns. Advertising campaigns, it is the most important activity that an advertising agency performs, and while working with all the campaigns, I learned 4 important advertising decisions that they take. Those are setting up of advertisement, objectives, budget, strategy, and evaluation of advertisement effectiveness. First, I would like to talk about the petrol versus diesel car campaign. This campaign initially started in 2020, but the layout was done in 2019 when Maruti Suzuki decided to come up with only petrol cars. In the past, Maruti used to manufacture 22% of the diesel cars. They gave us the task to establish a campaign. We came up with the idea and the tagline, "Did you calculate?" In Hindi, "Calculate kiya kya?" so that the people can relate to it. And I've shown you one of the ad here which says, "Diesel customers have to buy and drive at least 110 kilometers in a day to recover the cost. Did you calculate? Calculate kiya kya?" This is the ad we came up with. Now the Desire launch campaign. Desire was initially launched on 22nd March 2020, but we were working on the campaign months before that. And I worked on the 6-page brochure, I worked on the 12-page brochure, I worked on the TV commercial, different aspects and ratios on specifications and features of the car. The third one is the Swift Leap Year campaign. Swift Leap Year campaign was really important to me because my VP of the company gave me the task to handle the campaign on my own. I came up with the idea and the tagline, "Take a leap of adventure this year, Maruti Suzuki, be limitless, be fearless." Now I would like to compare these two advertising campaigns, Tata Altroz campaign and the Maruti Swift campaign. Now, which one was more impactful? Although the campaign spent on both these campaigns was equal. I mean to say 40 crores were spent on both the campaigns, but the impact of the Tata Altroz campaign was much more. Why was that? When I was doing the competition analysis between these two campaigns, I came to know that the initial journey of the Tata Altroz car came up in 2018. They launched their concept car in the year 2018, and they came up with the website launch, they came up with the initial drive launch, they came up with the idea that they have to showcase the car as the gold standard premium hatchback car in the same segment in which the Swift is there. So they hired all the media influencers, not only the movie stars, they hired people from the other influencing society as well, like choreographers, dancers, chefs, and they created an impact and immense environment of the gold standard experience if you buy this car. Finally, the key learnings from the SIP. I learned to multitask, work on different things. I was working on the competition analysis, I was working on the advertisement at the same time. I was handling the research work at the same time as I worked on the K-Series engine campaign also. I learned and started to enjoy the challenges as the time went through during the SIP period, and I learned to be very productive and be proactive at the same time. Thank you.